In this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on Netflix. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So as of now, Netflix has decided to add games as a features for their apps. So to play games on Netflix, the first thing you want to do is to download Netflix. So if you have already installed Netflix, what you want to do right now is to make sure that your Netflix application is up to date. So you want to go to the Play Store or your App Store and search for Netflix. Now tap on Netflix and make sure that there is no update button right here. So if it's all up to date, let's just open our Netflix application. And as you can see on the tabs on the bottom section of our screen, we will see this new and hot, home, games, and downloads. So to play games, just go to the game section. And now you will see a bunch of games that Netflix has released. So for example, let us download and play this game called Paper Trail. Let's just tap on Get Game, and we will be redirected to the Play Store page of this game. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.